video. So today I'm going to be making 40 lip scrubs. It's the 40 lip scrub wholesale order. This customer ordered birthday cake, pineapple, strawberry, and cotton candy. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking because I want to get it done. I want to ship this off today. Do not forget to leave a like and a comment. Comment any heart emoji down in the comments. Go do it right now. Engagement helps. I'd appreciate it. More comments all 2022. I be wanting to talk to y'all, but y'all don't be talking to me. When I post a video, I be in watching the first hour. So leave some comments. I be wanting to talk to y'all. So yeah, I already have my sugar ready. I'm about to go ahead and put my oils in, and we finna whip these lip scrubs up and fill all of these jars. And then I may pack this with y'all. It depends on how I'm feeling afterwards. I don't know. I may not feel like recording anymore, but yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new, and if you are interested in lip scrubs, click the link below in the description box, shanayaoshea.com. We offer lip scrub wholesale and lip scrubs for retail, so you can get some for yourself as well. We have tons of different flavors. See, our lip scrubs are packed with super moisturizing oils, non-GMO. Our products are vegan, cruelty free. So now I'm about to go ahead and add the pigment to give a little color, and I'm gonna mix them up. And then after I mix them up, I'm gonna add the flavors in so they can have a nice little smell. They are not strong, very, very lightly scented, and a nice little taste to them. These are edible, but use them for their purpose, you know, lip scrub, scrubbing your lips, exfoliating, getting them nice and smooth. Glad I'm done with the mixing part, bro. Just so time consuming. That's my least favorite. But it's done. Add the sprinkles into birthday cake. And now we're about to go ahead and start filling these jars. love strawberry, birthday cake, cotton candy, and pineapple. I'm about to go to put the tops on. I did get a few pictures, not too many. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed. If you're still watching, put any type of smiley face emoji in the comments. I appreciate you because we're almost at the end and you're still here. You a real one, okay? I'm about to go ahead and pack this order up real quick. Determined to make all of this fit in here, okay? I think it would have fit perfectly. Like everything would look nice if I didn't have the bubble wrap, but we gotta have the bubble wrap to make sure everything's secure. Now I'm just gonna add some peanuts. Just to be on the safe side. Are done. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This video is an hour long, bro. I have so much editing to do. So much. But it was worth it because I miss filming my little fulfilling orders videos. So yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you are new here, this is your first time watching me, or you're just not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me so we can continue growing. And if you would like to shop, once again, click the link in the description box, shanayabeautywear.com. I will see you all in the next video. Once again, thank you for watching.